we got today. I paid $53 Canadian for all of these here. And I'm gonna install them on my car. But they're a little special. A race car rollers. Slotted and drilled, know what I'm saying? And some hilarious brake pads. These are the right pads. What are these things? I don't know if I have a whole lot of faith in the pads. I think these rotors will be okay. I was having an issue with mine. They were, well, they are making a hell of a lot of noise. You can see in there that they're pretty dang grooved. They're not even that old. Less than 40,000 miles on them. For sure, easy, probably 20,000 miles, less than that. So anyways, I'm gonna swap them on this dirty old Bonneville here today. So I'm gonna see how fast I can do this before, hopefully before the sun goes down, and then I'll let you know my results. Also gonna do an oil change here today as well. I keep ordering stuff from you guys in the States because it's so much cheaper, man. I got this for 32 bucks from the States, from Amazon. The same bottle would cost me like $60 Canadian at the parts store. Same with all of this here. 2 bottles of these plus shipping from Rock Auto was cheaper than going to Lordco and buying one in town. Same with the oil filter and all that. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go jack this thing up, take the tires off, and I might fire this thing up here too, this heater, because it is pretty chilly. Oh yeah. Keep me nice and warm while I'm doing all of it. The wheel's not doing. Ah, son of a bitch. Should have brought my coveralls. Buddy here today. Oh shit. I think my jack is fucked. Yeah. Really? Maybe not. Is it low on fluid? Come on. Alright, looks like we're using the scissor jack then. Level ground, check. Scissor jack. Where's my tools? I got a little one. Holy. Just gotta go pretty high. Almost spilled my double-double. Oh yeah, let's rip this off. Check these out. I mean, it's not that terrible. All right, so I'll rip these off and just keep doing what I'm doing, you know. Got the e-brake on. My dumb ass didn't bring a rubber mount. Yeah, I think it's safe to say it was time for some new rotors, man. Look at these. It's not like gonna cause an accident, but for how low mile it is, yeah, I'd say these are pretty close to end of life too. Oh, yeah, CarQuest. There you go. Oh, what's this new one? Oh, it's A Premium. That's another good Rock Auto brand. But I didn't find these on Rock Auto. I found these on Amazon, believe it or not, of all places. Slotted and drilled, man. That's pretty dope. For cost me 55 Canadian after tax, free shipping. So that's what, 35 bucks American, I think, give or take. It's worth a shot. Doing all my boots. But not the bolts. I forgot I had copyrighted music playing. That sucks. You guys this? It's copyright free rock / metal / alternative. I'm fucking with it. I'm procrastinating here. Okay. Alright, so these calipers are a little different. You see how it's like an hourglass kind of shape in there? So at least me, before this car, most calipers that I've done were just like the press-in kind. This ain't a press-in kind. You have to spin, I believe, clockwise, like a regular thread. That thing in there. So what I got for that is this right here. Is from I think Princess Auto or Amazon or something. Bring this one. So yeah. So just know, before you do these brakes, you got to get one of these things with the thing prong things on it. Goes in the thing there and it spins the thing. You know what I'm saying. Everybody loves Marineland. Oh. Got me a seat. Oh yeah, that's luxury. I even go down a level. How's this caliper? This caliper is pretty mixed. You know, I could just leave these old boots on. They actually look pretty decent, but no, look at tearing them out. Driving on these Canadian roads. Did a couple highway trips in the old girl. I went to here in Kelowna to Grand Cache, Alberta on the highway in the middle of winter with this girl, and she did a great job. Fantastic job. I'm just gonna bring this whole thing. Someone told me that I shouldn't use my impact gun for absolutely everything, but I don't care. I have selective hearing, and I selected to not hear that one. Oh wow, it's still got copper coat on it, anti-seize, okay. Maybe they're not as bad as I thought. Not great, but not terrible. Oh yeah, thing's pretty crusty, but, well, not really, it's whatever. Oh, one kit comes with both sides. I ordered 2 kits. Well, I guess I got an extra. If you're doing your Bonneville and you want a free kit, let me know. Like and subscribe and all of that stuff, and I'll give you a free one. Okay, ridge at the top. That's how it came out anyways. So that means bolt that way. Head like that. I'll show you better on the other side. You want this end to come through and then kind of just clip into the end there a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Like that, there you go. Now it's clipped in the end. On the other side, we'll hook on to the other. Yeah, the last time I did this job, I didn't do the boots, and you can kind of tell. There's dirt in there and all that good stuff. So make sure, just bite the bullet, man, and spend the extra fucking $3 in boots and do them. All right, on to the other side, I guess, no? Oh, nope, not in equilibrium. Probably not the best idea to get inside the wheel well when it's up on a scissor jack. Holy but honestly, I don't really care. Oh, I need one of those electric ratchets, man. That'd be so nice. I also need new shocks and a new radius arms and shit. Hi, Kathy.
Hi.
How's it going?
Going good.
Right on.
Waiting for winter to come.
I think you might be waiting until next year on that one. All right, I got 5% battery left here, so I don't think you're gonna be able to witness most of this, but yeah, once again, they're pretty rough. That's okay. Same with this thing. It's also pretty rough. That's okay. Oh yeah, these boots are no good. My biggest issue when I'm working on stuff is I just keep freaking losing everything, man. Especially when it's dark out. Man, it's not even 5 o'clock yet. It's pitch black outside. I got the brakes installed. I don't even know why I brought these. But I can't find the other caliper bracket bolt. She's under where I was sitting. Nope. Come on, you. Where the fuck? What in the goddamn? Seriously, man. I didn't go far. Or anywhere for that matter. Well, I found the other one. It was still in here. Holy shit. Something tells me that these should not be so difficult. Well, I'm excited to see how these perform. Cheap as fuck. $25 per side. Canadian. Plus tax. So it's gonna be interesting. I'm not gonna expect them to perform like the best brakes in the world, but I just hope these rotors last a little longer than the other ones did. You know what I'm saying? Oh wait, did I torque it? Click. Click. Made it to the old storage unit here, and these were performing nicely so far. So just want to let you know. That's where I'm headed. Okay, so I've been driving with these for about a month now. The sound that I was experiencing before has not come back. They do not appear to be getting badly grooved, maybe a little bit, but nowhere near as bad as the other ones were. Yeah, it's still smooth in there. And the pads, hard to show you right now, but I think they look pretty good. So, conclusion, worth $50, every penny.